Hello, folks. Just thought I'd put together a video. If anybody else is doing the same kind of thing I am, I thought this might be helpful to you because it's a couple of things I've had to figure out myself with a whole lot of research on the internet. And thankfully it works. So again, I want to share it with you. So I'm restoring this 1952. It was made in 1952 Lionel 027 gauge train. That was my dad's. It's probably not worth a whole lot on the market if I were to sell it, but I don't ever intend to sell it. It means a lot to me simply because it was my dad's. And so let me go around. And so what I've done today is I've taken the cars as far apart as I can get them. So here's the caboose, the body of it off of the frame. Took it as far apart as I could get them. And a little bit of this mixed in with water. A little bit of gentle scrubbing, and when I say gentle, I mean it, because these letters on these cars can rub off pretty easily, so you don't want to scrub them off. And I dunked them in the water and scrubbed them again gently, and they came out really clean. I'm very satisfied with how well they came out. They had a lot of dirt on them, a lot of stuff accumulated over, believe it or not, 1952, 70 years ago when he got this train. And they came out really clean. I've got a little bit of touch up to do on a couple of them, but compared to how they were when I started, big improvement. But one thing it didn't improve is this white crap on the side of the trucks. It's some kind of oxidation that leaches out, some kind of chemical that has leached out of the plastic trucks. But this is not how a real train looks. You don't want your trucks on the side of your train to look like this. You want them to look like this. So nice matte black, not all that white stuff on them like this one over here. I've already done this treatment on this one. So what I want to show you is how you fix this. And by the way, this is a handy thing to do after you have, especially if you've got an old train set and you've washed it in water like I have. You obviously don't want any water left in any cracks, because you don't want it to rust. So you wait till your wife is at work and you go in her bathroom, and somewhere in her pile of crap will be a handy dandy hairdryer. Not sure what it's used for in normal circumstances, but today it's helping me fix this train. So I put it on the hot setting and high speed, fan speed. And then I'm going to try to capture what it does to this oxidation on these trucks. And I'll just do this one. I know this video is already long. But you'll see how quick this goes. And again, it's helping blow some of the water out of the cracks. I'm going to air dry it good and make sure I get all the water out of it. But the hair dryer really helps speed that up. So it's kind of a bonus on that. So, all right, here we go. Hopefully you can see this. Okay, so about a minute ago, a little bit less, we started with a kind of a nasty white chalky looking truck on the side of this car. I believe this is the frame off the caboose. And now we have one that looks a whole lot closer to what a truck on a real train, a real caboose will look like. Nice matte black. I've got a couple stubborn spots that I'll after I shut the video off, I'll concentrate the heat on it a little bit better, and it'll clear right up. It did on this one that I showed you a minute ago. So hopefully that helps. And just you know, get your wife's hair dryer out and have at it. So all right, have a good day, guys. Thanks.